Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. In this continuation, we'll pick up where we left off in part 1 and delve deeper into rust removal techniques. From chemical treatments to sandblasting, we'll explore various methods to help you remove rust and restore your car's appearance. Get ready to learn how to effectively tackle rust and keep your car looking its best. Dealing with advanced rust on a car body. For more advanced rust that has penetrated deeper into the car body, more intensive measures may be necessary. In such cases, sanding the affected areas to remove the rust down to the bare metal is often required. This can be a labor-intensive process but is crucial for preventing the rust from spreading. After sanding, applying a rust inhibitor can help prevent the rust from reappearing. It's important to follow up with a primer and paint to seal the area properly. In severe cases of advanced rust, replacing the affected panels may be the best course of action to ensure the structural integrity of the vehicle. Professional rust removal services. If the rust damage is extensive or if you lack the tools and expertise to tackle the issue yourself, seeking professional rust removal services may be the most effective solution. Professional auto body shops have the equipment and knowledge to handle advanced rust removal and restoration processes efficiently. Professionals can assess the extent of the rust damage and recommend the best course of action to repair and restore the affected areas. They may use specialized tools such as sandblasters and chemical treatments to remove stubborn rust effectively. DIY rust removal methods. There are several DIY rust removal methods that car owners can try before resorting to professional help. One popular DIY approach is using vinegar or lemon juice to dissolve rust. Simply soaking a cloth in vinegar or lemon juice and applying it to the rusted areas can help break down the rust over time. Another DIY method is using a wire brush or sandpaper to manually scrub away the rust. This method is more labor-intensive but can be effective for removing light rust without the need for specialized tools. After removing the rust, it's essential to apply a rust inhibitor and repaint the area to protect it from future corrosion. When it comes to car body rust removal, early intervention is key to preventing extensive damage. Whether opting for DIY methods or professional services, addressing rust issues promptly can help preserve the appearance and structural integrity of your vehicle. Comparing rust prevention and rust removal. Rust prevention and rust removal are two essential approaches to maintaining your car's bodywork in good condition. Let's delve into the comparison of these methods in terms of cost, effectiveness, longevity, and environmental impact. Cost comparison. When considering the cost aspect, rust prevention tends to be more cost-effective in the long run compared to rust removal. Rust prevention methods such as applying protective coatings or rust inhibitors may require an initial investment but can help avoid expensive repairs down the line. On the other hand, rust removal processes, such as sandblasting or using rust converters, can incur immediate costs that might recur if rust continues to develop. Effectiveness and longevity. In terms of effectiveness and longevity, rust prevention stands out as a proactive measure to inhibit rust formation before it starts. By applying rust inhibitors or using protective coatings, you create a barrier between the metal surface and moisture, significantly reducing the chances of rust taking hold. Rust removal, while effective in eliminating existing rust, may not address the underlying causes leading to potential reinfection of rust. Therefore, the longevity of rust prevention methods can surpass that of rust removal techniques. Environmental impact. Considering the environmental impact, rust prevention methods generally have a lower environmental footprint compared to rust removal processes. Rust prevention often involves the application of eco-friendly coatings or inhibitors that are designed to protect the metal surface without causing harm to the environment. In contrast, certain rust removal techniques, such as using harsh chemicals or acids, may pose risks to the environment if not handled or disposed of properly. By understanding the differences between rust prevention and rust removal in terms of cost, effectiveness, longevity, and environmental impact, you can make an informed decision on how to best protect your car's bodywork from the damaging effects of rust. Rust is a common enemy of vehicles, causing unsightly damage and potentially impacting their structural integrity. Whether focusing on prevention or removal, taking action against rust is crucial for maintaining the longevity and appearance of your car. By adopting the right strategies and techniques, you can protect your vehicle from the corrosive effects of rust and ensure it stays in optimal condition for years to come. Prevention is key. Preventing rust from forming on your car's body is a proactive approach that can save you time, money, and headaches in the long run. Simple steps like regular washing, applying protective coatings, and addressing paint chips promptly can go a long way in keeping rust at bay. By staying vigilant and implementing preventive measures, you can significantly reduce the risk of rust and preserve the aesthetics and value of your vehicle. Removal when necessary. In cases where rust has already taken hold, timely removal is essential to prevent further damage and restore your car's appearance. Techniques such as sanding, rust converters, and professional treatments can help eliminate existing rust and prevent its spread. Acting promptly and decisively when rust is detected can help salvage your car's body and prevent extensive corrosion that may compromise its structural integrity. The balancing act. Deciding between rust prevention and removal depends on various factors, including the extent of the rust, your budget, and your long-term goals for your vehicle. While prevention is always preferable, sometimes removal becomes necessary to address existing rust issues effectively. Striking a balance between proactive prevention and reactive removal can help you maintain your car's body in top condition and enjoy it for years to come. Stay informed. Keeping yourself informed about effective rust prevention and removal techniques is essential for the upkeep of your vehicle. Explore reputable sources and stay updated on the latest products and methods for combating rust. By staying educated and proactive, you can tackle rust issues head-on and ensure that your car remains a reliable and attractive asset for as long as possible. Remember, whether preventing rust with regular maintenance or removing it through targeted treatments, caring for your car's body is a rewarding investment that pays off in the form of a well-preserved vehicle that stands the test of time. Prioritize rust prevention and removal as part of your car care routine to keep your vehicle looking great and performing at its best. As we conclude our two-part series on rust prevention versus rust removal for your car, we hope you found this information helpful and empowering. Remember, by implementing both rust prevention and removal strategies, you can protect your car from rust and maintain its appearance and value. Until next time, may you continue to explore, learn, and maintain your car with confidence. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.